Pro tip, never mount to a dirty car.
Can't decide what's more polluted, your mouth or your brain. And once again, to the comfort of your screen return, surrounded by foes and friends, and who to say that.
Would it be cool to like put a light like under the dash so it kind of like illuminates from the inside?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
While eating animals,
So it lets us see into the glass a lot more.
Yeah, cuts out the glare.
they really are. Oh, you went so far for bags made of cut.
You see the record button?
Got it now?
On 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. This is car rear scene, take 1. Gas out.
Give it some gas.
Always give it gas.
Turn on the lights. Turn on the lights.
Have dialogue until we get out, correct?
We'll do some chit chat.
We need to be mic'd up.
And someone new. And oh, yeah, we can do better.
See how that looks?
Oh, it's so good. Let's go.
All right, move to the front.
Yeah.
So hurry up, educators on the side you chose, not to be disclosed.
Ready to clean her off?
So when we pull in under this, at the same time, I'm gonna need you to turn the tube light up towards yourself. All right, audio's good. Let's get the shot.
Became a feeble fairy tale. Oh, you sang it well, and if you can read it, you're part of the conflict. And you've been caught.
Action. Cut. We're using it.
That's the one.
That's the one.
And oh, you can
Cut.
I wish I had one of those pool noodles. A white pool noodle on that works.
Oh,
with the
yeah.
diffuser. All right, put it away. Yeah, it's perfect. Right where you were. We're good. Let's roll. Dude, I'll Venmo her $20.
No.
You just scared her, bro.
Everyone send her $5. It's like $30.
It's valid. Go, there's another car wash down the street, actually.
I just met the owner, Linda. She was very nice. Oh my God.
Wait, what?
She's very nice. I just met the owner. She's very nice.
No way.
Yeah. As long as nobody's drinking, you're all safe.
Cool.
I said my mom's in this. We need a boom.
Just need it on the ankles because that's where I got lit up yesterday. I have like 20 chigger bites.
Any bites yesterday? Ashley
I think
said
it's
you got
because
destroyed.
you know what? It's because him and I both went out to where that light was. Less foot traffic.
Oh yeah, that's where the triggers were.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should have known. Should tell them to use a little isopropyl alcohol and rub it because if there's any chiggers left on the skin, that would kill them. If I could make all chiggers and all mosquitoes go extinct with one snap, I would do
This
it
summer,
immediately. No remorse.
mosquitoes-
All right, are y'all ready to shoot this or what? So record, stop, and then I'll help you set the levels to make sure they're correct before we start. And then it'll just be record and stop.
We do have blood.
Shama Llama had a baby llama named Bernice.
Wow.
Silly sells her body to the local pirates. All right. Well, as long as we got it, right? There's no chance we didn't get it.
Oh, it was rolling. Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's cool. Figure. He's a model. Sorry. All right. We're switching to 50. We'll do a tight. It's called the Watcher in the Dark.
He doesn't have a face. That's sick.
I'm so tempted to change the white balance, but I think I'm gonna trust my gut because we want to lean into this orange here.
Cut.
Nice.
Check it out.
Nice job.
Great job, guys. You fucking assassins.
Nice.
Fucking go.
Get a little bit closer. I need you both in frame. You're ready to fuck somebody up. Perfect. Ready? Go.
Good.
Good.
Oh, what the fuck?
Good.
Good.
It's beautiful. Great job, guys. Let's get the hold with the knife.
Can we get that tube light?
Tube light.
Yeah.
Bring the knife closer. Bring the knife closer. Turn it around. I flip it around. All right, then bring it closer. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go.
Let's go.
Just
We'll do
focus on
on-camera audio
We're
for
on,
this.
what Jack's doing.
You don't got a pocket full of sand, dude.
I handheld. We can basically start it with the sand being thrown.
start it with the sand.
Looks like it's squeezing off a big one.
That was great. That was
Let's fucking go, dude. Nice work.
But he's like,
Feels so much
No, you're good. You're good. Yo, it's gonna look good when you get it. I like it.
Oh, like this?
Action. Cut. We're using it.
That's the one.
Here.
Facing this way after I flip them.
You're flipping like here, and you're coming.
Hey,
You're
we're
turning. You're turning it. You're turning it like this.
Yeah, what's up?
You can also just have them hold it. True. In the final fall.
Not too hard. Not too hard. Yeah. Punch down here. Kick. There. Good. Super slow. I just need to see bodies on screen. Ready? Go. Slow. 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 Block. Punch. Knee. Move up. Move up. Push. Back up. Back up. Back up. Good. Push back as far as you can, Gabe. That's good. Yes. Here. Here. Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm gonna use the one to push off and then pull them in over here
And headbutt.
and headbutt.
There's like one on the top of it and one on the bottom. Way better. Just a single sheet, Toa, and just clamp this one.
this my shit.
One more, come on. One more, come on. Oh, dude. Just keep rolling. God damn, dude, my diaphragm. Give me like 1 second. I actually cut the diaphragm.
Remember, keep
That
each
punch
other
with you
safe.
is so good.
Fast and smooth. Keep each other safe. Fast and smooth. Smooth is fast. Okay, you're getting low. Look when you're doing it, Kaika. This is gonna be help you. Look to where you're throwing. Action. Yeah. Keep what you guys did was good. Get his ass. Get his ass. Let's go. Get ready. Get ready. Right. Yeah. Whoa. Good. That might be the one. Oh!
That looked like I kicked her in the face. Let's do it again. That looked like I kicked her in the face. Let's do it again. Again?
One more. Okay. Alright, we got it. We're gonna move over here, scuffle. We're just gonna scuffle. Action.
Come on, Bob. Come on, Bob. Fucking break his ribs. Break his rib, Bob. Break his goddamn rib, Bob. Don't hit corner, Bob. Push this away from the hole.
10% less. Hey, you can always take off less. It's hard to add more. Alright. Good.
Hey, don't get trapped, Bob. Don't get trapped. Don't get trapped, Bob. Break his fucking rib. Break his goddamn rib, Bob.
Kaika, you cool with being on the ground while they kick the shit out of you? Don't you fucking die on me. You're my DP.
Get the fuck off of him. Get off of him.
He's like Hank Hill trying to.
He's gonna sack all these.
Get the fuck out of here.
Just remember, your friend's getting, he's like, you're worried he's gonna die. Like, be sincere with this. Yeah.
Yo, get off of him. Get the fuck off.
Fuck off of him.
Dab, 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 dab.
Wait,
Dab,
this
dab,
is
dab. Rail. Yep, and high above it. Yeah. Good. Alright, now we need this angle. Alright, now we need this angle. Now we need this angle. Alright. You shot him?
sorry.
Come outside and see what it's like. I think you'll find that the weather is nice. You go get a drink, it's not as bad as you think. You puke in the sink, but you'll be fine. Wake up around 9, then you do it again and again and again.
God damn it. God.
Does my face look red?
Cut. It's a wrap. Oh my god. That's a wrap.
I see that every time we go.
Good job, boy. Get a pose.
All right.
Good.
Let's get it. Like kind of like shield and like kind of move your hands around. Like
Where's the-
it's
oh,
right
there we
here.
You got the gun.
Yeah. All right, y'all ready? Same thing, same energy. 3, 2, 1, action.